Hey, welcome back to another video of my channel. Sorry if I haven't posted in a little while. I just now got the opportunity to work on the tractor / move it and get some other projects that I've been wanting to do done. Also sorry if I sound kind of sick. Well, I am kind of sick. I just got a little bit of a cold, but nothing really too bad. So that's why I kind of helped out today. I'm really excited because we're moving the tractor and we actually got it to where we want it to be. Now you can see here it's kind of rubbed against the wall, but you know, nothing really ever happened. We filled up the tires before. The front right one is, you know, kind of shredded to pieces, but we were able to roll it without much necessarily pulling. I mean, we did need the truck quite a bit, but you know, we're not going to be able to push it like that without getting it on the concrete first. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. Well, I might talk a little bit later, but that's beside the point. Maybe pull it up just a little bit more so we can get to it easier.
That's what I'm thinking. Don't move.
Now in this scene, this is when we're pulling up the tractor a little bit further to try and maneuver around the door there. Now what are we gonna do after that? Well, he's gonna pull around to the front there, and he's gonna hook the truck on the right side of the front of the tractor so we can pull it around that door without having the tire hit the side of the door. Cool.
Looks pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
Halfway?
Yeah, I think we're dead on halfway.
Okay. Well, I meant to have you start turning right.
Yeah.
At the end here. I don't know, is it really hard to turn?
I can do it, it's just a little hard.
Okay.
Alright, you want me to go ahead and hop down?
Yeah, I'm kind of screwed. I'll just back out, turn around and back in.
Alright. Sounds like...
For me how far I can come back, huh?
Alright. Yeah. So yeah, sorry guys if I haven't been talking much. We're just finally moving the tractor out of there. You know, I'm really excited. My grandpa's helping me move out of this. So basically we're just gonna move it over here. We're gonna try and move it where that John Deere mower is. Well, yeah. So I'm sorry if I don't talk too much. I'm kind of stuffy and sick, but hey, working man's got to do what a working man's got to do. So I will definitely switch back to more of the pulling action when I can. Now this is actually when we're able to get the tractor onto the pavement. As you can see here, my grandfather's on the right side and he's going to try and tow us up onto the pavement. Kind of basically we'll want to get the tractor where the truck is right there. So Alrighty.
Hey, you're on concrete.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Looking.
Should we get on a tire?
Yeah.
Side?
Oh yeah, we can move that.
Now, I don't know turning that front tire, how that might be, but anyway, try to turn to the left here and get over as quick as then your back end will come over.
Yeah, so try.
Try to even come beyond it a little bit.
Alright.
And turn left here to get to here, and then straighten her up as your back end comes over. Straighten up and head for this line.
Alright.
And I'm gonna try to just sneak out the doorway there to keep our line so I'm not pulling you sideways.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So hang a Louis here, about like this.
Yep.
And I didn't realize you could probably come over here rather than here.
Yeah, we'll get her. Kind of like that.
Looking pretty good.
Cool.
How do we want to do that? Could move my car and hook over by and come by the hydrant to kind of pull you that way a little bit.
Yeah, that'd work.
So I'll have to rehook. Which is mighty fine. Couldn't pull it.
Ah, crap.
Because we're turned.
Shoot. You think we could just push it forward?
We could. Let's try to turn our steering wheel a little more straight.
Alright.
Okay, let's do that right there. I think maybe just a little more. One more. Okay, let's pull that forward and see what we got.
Alrighty.
If you need them, you can hit the brakes.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, just
I forget they have brakes.
have that fresh on your mind. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, buddy, we're gonna spring loose.
Alright.
We're on our own. that means put the import. Let's see. Man, let's try to straighten this here. Here my gear.
Yeah.
Start working on.
But it turns.
It's turning, ain't it?
Yeah. I think that inflating this tire helped it a lot.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to turn a little more.
Alright.
Okay, let's see what we get. Grab you a tire over there.
Yep.
We'll just try to see if we can get her to come back. Okay, I think I'm gonna straighten her a little bit.
We could totally do this.
Okay, pal, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think we'll go a little more. Rocker forward. Okay, now go back. Great time.
Also, P.S. Sorry for all the panting. This tractor was
she's
really
a big
damn
girl.
heavy. So, sorry about that.
The one that ran my whole life.
Yeah.
We put that on when Pop rebuilt it, I think.
Wow. Man, all we really need to do, drain the gasoline,
Oh, yeah?
drain the oil,
Mm-hmm.
get some new spark plugs, fix this, and it would probably...
This gear up here.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying, like, to get it running. That's...
Right.
These things are built to last, so I don't think it'd be super hard to...
I just hope the motor's okay.
It should be.
I really doubt it. Because the old Cub Lowboy, we did. Well, I think we ran it maybe past the time we ran this one,
Yeah?
and it was just pure crap in the motor.
Hmm.
It was set up pretty bad. Let's try.
Alright.
I need to move my car. Is she mowing there?
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's see what that does. Okay, let's see what we got.
Man, that's
So you
some
finally
manpower.
made yourself to the end of the video. Well, I'm really proud of myself and my grand folks for definitely helping me out with this.
No, it's
I
just
never would have
Jude.
been able to done it without them. But yeah, it's super cool to see the tractor finally up front of the shed, so we can finally start seeing like stuff we need to do to it, like drain the
Yeah.
gasoline, oil, all
Looks
little
good.
other odds and ends. But if you really like these kinds of videos, I really do think you should subscribe to my channel. I post every other week. I just recently haven't been able to since I've been super
Okay.
duper busy with other stuff. But yeah,
good.
I recommend you subscribe
a
to my
little
channel,
smaller than
and
I
if you
thought.
haven't already, watch the first one of this. Basically, it's me going over all the tractor I meant, sorry.
Yeah.
But yeah, so if you like these kinds of videos, you
It's okay, I
should
got it
subscribe,
recorded.
and hopefully I can do a video about me fixing it
maybe this Monday.
And
I don't
stand
know.
next to it.
All right, well,
Do
take
that.
her easy.